Good morning everyone. We're waking up in Greece this morning. It's just gone past 10 o'clock, about 3 minutes after 10. And I'm on my way to a town called Plomari. That's where the Ouzo drink comes from. They make them from there. The real Ouzo comes from Plomari. They say it's a small town. I'm going there with some friends to visit the distillery, and after that we're going to go on to a beach that is called Saint Isidore Beach. We're going to go to Saint Isidore Beach after that. Yes, come with me. Vamos, allons-y. Let's go. Tokei. Peace. I hope you've been good. Peace and love, always. Look at how hilly this road is. We have to negotiate it with the car or walking down to go to the shops. Coming back is a problem. It's a good training. Look at the city. We are at the top of the city, and this is how the road goes. Just entering the town of Plomari.
Greekest bu arada sosyal ağlardan da mesajlarınız geliyor. Hem bana hem de bayram için çok güzel. TRT FM dinleyenlerine.
This is the town of Plomari. Well, I've stopped at the sea. It's got a bay. There's a bay down there. And their house is up the hill. It's very, very hilly. The whole of this town is very hilly. Hello, family. You like my glasses? I bought them in Accra. Guess how much? 10 Ghana cedis. But they look like $1 million pair of glasses, don't they? They do. You see? It just depends on how you wear something. I look like a movie star. Oh, look at the town. Look at the town. Look at the blue sea. The sea is so blue. Yes, another day. Today is Friday, the 14th of May. And we're heading to another beach. It's like every day there's a new beach to discover. Okay. Let me show you where we came from. We came from here. We came from this town. It's 40 kilometers away. This is a square. Bikes, everywhere bikes. Wherever you're going, there's bikes. Bikes. Bikes, bikes, bikes. This is the Ouzo shop, and they also have a factory. We're going to have a look. Let me see. Look at the square.
Yes, it's for free. You can visit the museum and the factory. You can meet the family and they can explain you about the Ouzo, about our Ouzo. Yeah. Here I have only the bottles that we sell, and the store is a new store since last year. Yes, last June. This store. Yes, we moved from our old store that were 30 years. Okay. Now this is our new store. I have one bottle like this at home. You can find it in Greece. It's 48%. And these are your best products? It's not the best like in the quality. In last Ouzo we put more aniseed two. This is the drier one. This is 48, smoother than the other three. The light one, and this is the oldest since 1860. With that label, start the family.
So what do you mean?
1860.
What do you mean smoother?
I can explain the taste. You into the factory, you can taste the Ouzos, and you can see
So
your
it's a
own.
different taste from here.
All of them. All of them has a different taste.
This is more flavor, more
This one has more aniseed, more aromatic herbs, and more alcohol. This one has more aniseed
more aniseed.
than the other three.
Okay.
And this is the machine you use to distill the.
Yes, it's the small one. You can see the real one. The real one that we have come from here. From here, the two Olympics were the first one since 1860, and this one from Constantinople 1858. You can see the real one into
It's
the
at the
museum. Yes, we have. The family still have them. All of them. We have 6. Now it's only 2. He was Mr.
He started it.
Yannis Varvagiannis.
Your grandfather.
It's the 4th generation. Now it's the 5th and the 6th. Yeah,
He was from the 4th generation.
the 4th generation.
Wow.
Yes, he died in 1987, and then the 3 children of him start to produce the Ouzo.
So did they come from Russia? Or the Greeks?
Which one?
Him.
The Olympics.
Yes.
Oh, he came. This man came from here. The first Varvagiannis came from Naxos. It's a Greek island. Naxos, Paros.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, he came from here. Then with his father, go to not Russia. It's a place that I have to read again. Odessa.
Odessa.
Odessa,
Ah.
Russia or Ukraine.
Yes.
I don't know exactly. It's in,
Now it's Ukraine, isn't it? Yes.
it is in
He
Russia
came
or
from
in
Odessa. He came from Odessa.
Yes. In that
That's
place,
Russia then.
not in he came.
Oh.
He went with his father. In that place, he learned how to distill Ouzo. Maybe they produce a vodka or another product similar with Ouzo. And in that place, he learned how to distill.
But it's the same process of alcohol with
Thank you. And this is the very first machine as well, this one.
Here is Yannis Varvagiannis.
Yeah.
With the other food that they produce alcohol from grapes. But now also we have that machine into the museum. But now it's illegal to produce ethyl alcohol.
Okay.
We have to buy.
Ah.
He's Mr. Stathis, one of the children of Yannis.
Okay.
You can meet him. Mrs. Vaya,
at the
yes,
factory.
at the factory, and also Mrs. Vaya. No, this is the museum. You can visit. You see that machine?
Yes.
It's that one. Yeah. Ναι, μια ιδέα έτσι για το ότι υπάρχει στο μουσείο. Μπορώ να βάζω.
Thank you. Very interesting. A lesson in the Ouzo. Now we're going to try and go to the. Before we leave here, we're going to go to the distillery. It's become a museum. They call it a museum, and that's the factory, which has become a museum now. We've arrived at this place where we're going to eat first before we carry on to the museum. Thank you, Efkaristo. Thank you. So I've just parked here. I am going inside my face mask because we see face masking here. Just parked here. It's the car I'm renting. Look at the sea. That's the gentleman. Look at the building. Look at that. We've come to eat here. Look at the little street. Isn't that beautiful? we're told the food here is traditional Greek food. Isn't this blue or white and blue house lovely? Yeah, traditional Greek food. Oh, beautiful. Taverna, that's it. We've come to a taverna. Taverna. This is our team.
How much did they pay you?
For
What did they pay you? The Instagram
How
people.
much they are paying you for these movies? From now on,
Instagram.
every
Nothing yet.
place we are
They
visiting.
will pay.
Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. Bon après-midi, another day at the beach. Je suis ici avec quelques collègues. On est au restaurant, une taverne. On cherche à manger la nourriture grecque. Ok, on va voir ce qu'on va nous servir ici. Je vais vous envoyer les images. Ok, bisous, bisous. Bye. Regardez. Regardez la Grèce. C'est beau, c'est beau, c'est beau. Yeah. Peace out. I'm only standing here because of that pretty beautiful white and blue house, just to put it in the video. Isn't that lovely? Such a lovely house. It's nice. It's nice. I don't know what this is. Oh, they have rooms to let here. So if you find yourself down here, you can come and rent some room. Have rooms to rent. Rooms to let.
Yeah, why?
What, why? Why, when, where? You see? I asked him, do you want a piss? He said, why?
Why? And was arrested and deported to Afghanistan. But the way he described, it's not the usual way. That's,
That what is supposed to be the factory, you can smell Ouzo here.
You can smell the.
Yes, you can smell the Ouzo. Apparently, the museum is not open, but they are going to let us have a peep into it. Look, Ouzo Museum. Wow, isn't it nice? Look at the machines, look at the equipment.
UK, Iran and France.
So all the Europe, all that what Ouzo, it's honesty. You want to take out your mask and bite.
We're going to
You
buy
can find
some
the
NSC.
trees here in the island.
Yes, it's
Ooh, it's
very
sweet.
important. It's very
It's sweet.
important. The place that we grow up. It's of the other side of the island. I don't know if you visit Vatera. One village before Vatera, it's the place that we honestly grow up.
NSC.
And of course it's important because this one to grow up near to the sea. So you take the salt of the ground and make better quality of honesty. Okay? This it costs 12 euros. It's very expensive.
How much?
12 euros.
12 euro kilo.
Per kilo.
Kilo. The second that we're very lucky, we're very close to the sea. So we take honesty, we put in the bags, and we leave it inside the sea to stay 6 hours.
Okay.
Because with the sea, it comes out the green color, it
Yeah.
takes the taste of the sea, and after we put inside there together with the alcohol. We stay one night together with the alcohol.
Which alcohol do you use?
The alcohol it's more of melassa. Melassa. Little grapes, but more of melassa.
From the end of the grapes.
Yes, yes, but very little grapes. More is of melassa. So we put honesty, we put alcohol. I forgot to tell you the alcohol. It's 96.
96% alcohol with the aniseed is mixed to
And
put
water.
and
When the
water.
temperature going inside there around to 80, the warm air of honesty, of alcohol, of water start to pass out. This in front of you, these things, it's coolers. So the warm air pass inside of cold water, condense, and it starts to come out the Ouzo Valley. You see the alcohol meter? Also over there, also the alcohol.
The glass and the glass.
So it's a distillation process,
Yeah.
normal distillation process.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
When we start to collect the Ouzo, we start off 80%.
Yeah, the first one. Yeah.
I mean alcohol percent.
Yeah.
And we stop to 60. So
60.
this part we have in the big tanks over there,
Yeah.
and we call heart of the Ouzo.
Yeah.
Why heart? Because
It is very strong.
it's very strong. It's
Yeah.
not possible to drink that.
Yeah.
Yes, but it's very important because of this strong part. I take later, I put water inside, and I make the percents down,
Yeah.
and I make so different 42, 46, 47, 48.
Okay.
Now, after 60%, because the distillation here, it go with the traditional way, with the old way, we make too much hours. We make 12 or 13 hours.
Yeah.
So after 60% until 0, we put the small tanks because the Ouzo change color. It
Yeah.
starts to be white later.
Ah,
It
okay.
starts to smell different. So we separate this part.
Yeah.
It's very important that we don't throw away, we keep it, and the next day in the morning we take and we put
Put it
again
again.
inside.
Okay.
So if they ask you what is 2 or 3 times distillation, you know the answer. This part you distill all the time and you make better quality of Ouzo. You destroy all the bad smells. Okay?
But they said there is a Ouzo distillated for 2 times or 3 times.
2 or 3 times it's normal, but nothing more.
Nothing more.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, you remember before the 80 until 60, the strong one. We take off there with this engine. Look, what we make today, 46.
Yeah.
Look behind you. We have the tank, and he write 46 outside. Yeah, the blue. The blue. Yeah. If I make distillation 42, agree. If I go outside, why? Because it's different kilos, the aniseed, the alcohol, and the clouds. Also, the result can be different.
Yeah.
I need 350 water.
Yeah.
I make 750, Ouzo 46.
Yeah.
For the green one, it's more softest,
Yeah.
more water inside.
Yeah.
I put 400 water. For Aphrodite, very little. It depends how much water we share inside there. Okay? We finish, it's ready. We wait after 40 days, the white color go down,
Really?
and after disappear. The
But what's
Ouzo
there?
stay clear.
What's there?
For second time, you make again white, the Ouzo.
Yeah.
But after it stay white.
Yeah.
Why? Because the limit, remember that, it's important because you see it around in the supermarkets, Ouzo 40%, so many times.
Yeah.
The 40 is the limit. So if you put water again inside to your glass, you
Yeah.
see it starts to be white.
Yeah.
Because you make down the percent of 40. You make this time 20 or 22.
Yeah.
It's not possible to be clear again. It's down to 40. It stays white.
Yeah.
So this Ouzo that you see in the supermarket, and he write 40%, maybe they write 100%. It's not normal. It's not because the 40 is the limit. Change color in this limit.
Oh, okay.
Okay? The Ouzo he must be little more up of 40, so you have time to change. Okay? Now,
Okay.
what is the right way to drink the Ouzo? Because I go around to the restaurant and I see the people, the most of the people, they put ice inside.
Yes.
And this is a very big mistake.
Yeah.
I saw in the TV, it's not your fault, of course, they put in the whiskey ice. And they sold also on the rocks and other stupid things. So, the reason is very easy to explain also to the other ones. The aniseed has inside 40 different oils. We call this ethereal oils. When you put ice in the Ouzo, or when you put ice in the whiskey, this moment it's like a shock. Because you make quickly the temperature down to 20%, and it starts to make crystals, flakes inside. And these crystals, it's the oils of the aniseed. Normally, if you put cold water, it's okay, because with this way, your health and the aroma, the perfumes, comes out into your glass. With the ice, it's like a prison. You make crystals, you destroy everything this moment. So remember, there's cold water, and if you don't satisfied with this, at the end, when you change color, put the ice at the end. But normally, in my opinion, when they service to you ice cubes and the carafa with water, take the ice cubes, put inside of the carafa with the water, and with 2 fingers stop the ice to pass only the cold water to your glass. Share half Ouzo, half cold water. This is the right way. Leave the others to tell everything they like. This is the normal, this is the right one. Okay? You understand now?
Yeah.
You need to put this much ouzo there, and then you fill it with water. Ouzo is always drunk with water. Yeah. Look at that.
Here in the chair, and this is the light. You check when you pass the bottles, if it's dirty or if there's something inside. The other one is the etiquette. Over there. Put somebody over there.
The tickets, and then they put them in the boxes.
If you come a little more early, you see the people how they work and you understand.
The bottles come here, and they fill them up.
Yes, they fill them.
They fill them up.
They put
The cup?
etiquette. The cup is here.
I think the ticket is down there.
No, yes.
The cup- these are the
fill in
cups.
there and here.
These are the cups.
Yes, it is just the cups. There are a lot of cups.
Okay. And then it rolls, it
pass
goes
here.
down there.
Yes, and they check the
Control.
quality.
And then I think it takes the labels there.
Yes, yes. That's the last one.
Yeah.
Look at the levels.
The label. Here are the labels. And then they box them
Yes.
down here. They box them down here. Let's see. So look.
I go to check something inside.
Yeah. This is the 47.
Yeah.
This is the strongest. Oh, but the smell here is different.
This is 100%.
Do you want to try?
100%.
I don't like too much, but yes. I came to
48.
Here, from here, you drink.
So how much you have to put?
Half and half.
Which one is Aphrodite? That one?
I don't like too much. Yes.
Too dry.
This one is Aphrodite.
This one.
Yes, off and off.
So, Manek.
Yeah, if it's white, it's okay.
gonna test
I
Manek?
think the more water you put with this, you should put more water because it's 47.
Yeah. I have one bottle like this in my home.
This one. You have this one.
No, no.
This one? This one.
This one.
The green.
This is 48.
No,
That's
One
the
is 48.
This one is 48.
this is 42.
I'm now at Isidore Beach. When we got lost when we were trying to join the other members of our team, we found ourselves here, and this is where we've ended. After eating, we went to the factory, the Ouzo factory. Now we've come to the beach to catch a little bit of the sun before we go. Yeah, being in Lesvos, every bit of place has got a beach. There's a beach everywhere. Everywhere you turn, there's a beach. You don't have to go too far because it's an island. Look, there's a mountain there. But all the beaches are quite deserted.
Congo. It's many Greeks from Plomari lived there.
They take Greeks from Eresos, a lot of them
Yeah.
from Eresos. me myself.
You know, in those
Fresh
years,
oranges.
57 or 62, it was a lot of immigration. So my father went to
Congo.
to South Africa.
South Africa.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Look. Oh. Fresh orange juice. Freshly squeezed. Fresh.